Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. My name is Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and tonight, with our Consolo Family Farms blueberries, we're making blueberry chutney. For tonight's recipe, here's what you'll need. Finely dice your onions. At medium heat, add butter to your saucepan. Stir in your onions and cook until translucent and fragrant. Then, add your Consolo Family Farms blueberries, red wine, dried chili flakes, red wine vinegar, cumin, maple syrup, cardamom, salt and pepper to taste. Then float a cinnamon stick and a sprig of fresh rosemary. Simmer at medium-low heat, stirring occasionally until thickened, about 20 to 25 minutes. This chutney pairs perfectly with pork and poultry, so hit the grill. Take the chutney from the stove and remove the cinnamon stick and rosemary. A decadent and flavorful topping, this chutney will also store well in a jar, refrigerated. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen tonight. Stay tuned for more recipes with Consolo Family Farms. Until next time, keep cooking.